beaker here, and you certainly don't have to do it like with an immersion blender. You can do this in your regular blender or your Vitamix, food processor. It'll work all the same. I have a 14-ounce can of tomato sauce, okay? And I try and get the plainest tomato sauce I can. Half a cup of sugar, half a cup of vegetable oil, that goes in. And then you can just store this in a mason jar, and it keeps in your fridge. You use it in the next few weeks, and it'll be great. And we want some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to start off with a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And that is how you make homemade Catalina dressing.